Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. One question I get asked by RV owners is, do I need to lubricate my RV? The answer is yes. Lubricating the RV should be part of your preventive maintenance schedule. The question is, what exactly needs to be lubricated on the RV? That's what we're going to discuss and demonstrate today. Lubricating your RV is probably the easiest preventive maintenance job RV owners can do, but it is usually overlooked or forgotten. If you spend 15 minutes lubricating the RV, you can prevent problems with components later. So how do we do it? For starters, there are lots of good lubrication products on the marketplace, so try to find one that works for you. My only caution is, make sure the lubricant is designed specifically for how you intend to use it. Some lubricants can attract dirt and dust, making things worse instead of better. I restore old classic cars, trucks, and RVs, and when you work on old vehicles, one thing you need in your shop or garage is a good spray lubricant. I'm not affiliated with this product, but I personally use Shield T9 for almost everything that needs to be lubricated. I've used different products in the past for specific applications on the RV that work well, but I really like that this is an all-in-one lubricant. It works on your automobile, boat and boat engine, bicycles, tools, and of course your RV. What I like about this product is it penetrates and displaces any moisture, and then it leaves a waxy film for lasting lubrication. On the RV, I start with all the lock cylinders. This keeps the keys operating freely and helps prevent the lock cylinders from freezing in cold temperatures. I use it on all the hinge points of the steps, the entry door, and other hinges on the RV. Other areas on the RV that need routine lubrication are the slide outs, the window tracks, and the awning hardware. When you lubricate your RV, think about anything on the RV that moves, like stabilizer jacks on a travel trailer and the landing gear on a fifth wheel trailer. After you lubricate an area on the RV, it's a good idea to exercise it to get the maximum benefit of the lubrication. I lubricate all these moving parts on the RV prior to storage, and anytime I hear a squeaky hinge or step. You can use this lubricant on moving parts, and it's safe to use on paint, plastic, and vinyl surfaces. On painted or plastic surfaces, I do recommend trying it in an inconspicuous area first to make sure there's no adverse effects. If you tow a trailer or a vehicle behind your motorhome, use it to lubricate the hitch components or the tow bar. If you own a travel trailer or a fifth wheel trailer, another important lubrication service is the wheel bearings. I recommend having the wheel bearings and brakes inspected every 5,000 miles of travel. This type of service is better left to the pros. Make lubricating your RV part of your RV preventive maintenance schedule, and it's one less thing you need to worry about down the road. To learn more about using and maintaining your RV, visit RVOnlineTraining.com. Happy camping.